Hello, my name is Rhiannon Ott, advocate for youth stylist here at Plender Design. I have been in your shoes. I have been in the business for many years, so I know where you've been and how you feel and where you want to go with your business. So we are here today to give you a walkthrough of what comes in your starter kit.
Because you of all people should know what they need in their kit.
Yes, and I think that I'm lucky here to be part of Plender Design with Corporate and the amazing founder of Plender Design, Hillary Adams.
Yes, with that being said, I want to walk you guys a little bit of this jewelry that you're getting in your starter kit. $300 worth of retail value in jewelry in your starter kit. Why would we give them such a great deal on their starter kit? I will tell you, ladies, if you'll give us a couple weeks, engage with us, get into your emails, get this jewelry in your hands, start wearing it out in your communities, we will have you hook, line, and sinker into wanting to pursue this Plender jewelry business even more than you thought, because it's a lot easier, and we make it a lot easier with our tools than you guys think it's going to be. I want to talk a little bit about our product. I told you guys $300 worth of jewelry here. Plender's I think Plender's a very, I was gonna say a little bit, but Plender is a very exciting jewelry line in that we carry costume jewelry. We want our costume jewelry to be jewelry that can appeal to everybody. Your mom. We have a little girls line for your daughters. We have chunkier pieces for those ladies that like a chunkier fashion, or depending on what your outfit is that day, maybe you just want to showcase more high fashion in your jewelry and less in your outfit. We also do the delicate pieces. Delicate pieces are great worn alone with your simple style, or they're really fantastic when you layer those delicates, either with other delicates or chunky pieces. We have 6 necklaces in our starter kit, as well as 4 different bracelet options, several different pair of earrings, and I would be amiss if I didn't mention our rings. Tell them what my favorite thing is about our Plender rings.
They're high fashion and stainless steel.
Yes. Typically when you have a high fashion ring, those fobby rings that you see that maybe incorporate some leopard print or an extra big stone, they're on an adjustable, just really cheap metal ring. And as much as you like to enjoy your ring as you're driving up the road,
not so much when you take it off.
Not so much when you take it off and it's been pinching your finger and it's left that green circle. I love our rings because they give us the option to really nail that high fashion fobby ring on a high quality stainless steel base. So your rings aren't going to tarnish, they're not going to turn your finger green, and they're still at a price point. We sell them in whole sizes, so you order the ring that you need to fit your finger, and then the value there is just exceptional in being able to wear and get them wet and still enjoy that high fashion ring. So what else do they get?
Well, I am so excited about the business tools that you need to get your business off the ground and running. So everything here is a $300 value for just $99, and it's everything that you need. You can do a party, you can do an event, you can do an online event. There are so many ways you can run your business. But included, you would get 18 of our collective catalogs, 18 of our spring-summer catalogs.
Tell them the difference about collective and spring-summer.
Well, your collective catalogs are going to be more for
timeless.
Timeless pieces are pendants, things that you can personalize more.
They're a little bit more of an investment, and they're things that don't transition so much with the season. So our collective catalog comes out once a year in the spring, as opposed to our spring catalog and our fall catalogs.
Correct.
Those will come out twice a year. And they have more of your high fashion, evolving, trendy colors, things that we expect to hang on to for a season.
For season.
Yes. So you get the collective and the regular catalog, and then tell them why we have a mini catalog.
And then
Here's your mini catalog.
Yes, we have these mini catalogs right here. We had a stylist come to us and say, you know, I love our catalogs and I love doing events, but I find that I'm giving so many out at this event.
Well, they're expensive.
They are. And so these right here are 8 pages. They're more affordable, so you can leave them on doorknobs. You can put them in your hostess reward folders. You can go ahead and give them out in events. It's like a tasting of what we have to offer here at Plender Design for a very affordable price on your end.
Yeah, I don't know what lady, like I still look forward. I have an Avon lady that visits me here and there, and I love it when I see the Avon catalog rubber banded to to my front door.
Yeah.
I can't imagine what lady wouldn't receive a Plundered mini catalog and be excited to look at our offering.
Absolutely.
So in addition to that, we have our Plunderpedia.
Well, yes, we have our Plunderpedia. Our Plunderpedia, you only receive one of those. This is a reference guide to your business, an owner's manual, as Hillary likes to refer to it as. In here we have things such as explaining what monthly rank advancements are, recognition and things that you can earn. We talk about different types of boards and events that we have, and also our compensation plan and ways to contact us at corporate if you have any questions.
It is your how-to. Like, I think we've all watched typically a man try and put together something on Christmas Eve without an owner's manual. This industry, our party plan industry, is a proven method. In here you'll find steps and methods to get you off on the right foot as a plunder stylist. In addition to that, you guys need to be checking your email boxes, because not only do we have this starter kit they'll receive, but we're sending emails to your inboxes with videos and step-by-step training and guidance to ensure that you find success here with your business.
Absolutely.
So what else is with it?
So then we get business cards, which you're a businesswoman. You should be spreading them out like confetti and giving them to everybody so that you can find future or potential customers for your business. Order forms, because who doesn't need order forms if you're at a party or an event? And then we also have our opportunity brochures. And these I really, really like. It touches on both hosting for your business and also joining.
So different than the mini catalog, which focuses on a mini retail experience, this is focusing on the mini opportunity experience.
Yes.
Whether you're going to leverage the Plunder opportunity and host a party or buy a few pieces or become a stylist.
That's right. So really, it could be somebody who's just interested in maybe hosting a party or learning more about the products, and you go ahead and you give them this, and then they realize that, well, if she can do it, I can do it too, because they start reading about the things that you get when you have your own Plunder business. So you just never know what can happen by giving somebody or passing along this opportunity brochure.
Yeah, so many people, our Plunder opportunity is more than just jewelry. We have an awesome culture. We do vacation incentives. We have giveaways.
It's so much fun.
And I feel like a Plunder family that, like I said, try us on for 3 or 4 weeks, engage with us, get the kit in your hand, feel how substantial the jewelry is. Time and time again, people say, I had no idea when I got it, it was so much better in real life than it was in the picture. So I'm confident that you will feel that way.
Yes.
This whole kit comes in this beautiful
starter box right
starter
here.
kit box, yes.
It's all of our new branding.
Has a handle on it so that you can easily tote it around to parties or use it. I think it looks darling set up as a display at a home party as well.
Doing an unboxing video. That's fun. You can show all of the new lovely boxes. Who wouldn't want to receive these boxes as a gift? These boxes are so super cute.
Yeah,
They're
and
fun,
I think our
they're
Plunder
trendy.
packaging is on point. For those of you guys that like stickers and things that are wrapped really pretty and that experience of beautiful packaging, you guys will enjoy the packaging, but more importantly, we're confident that your customers will say, I love their packaging.
Yes.
That's been something that we hear a lot.
Yeah.
If you've joined our business and you haven't received your starter kit yet, it's not too early to consider the upgrade. Tell them what we have to offer in our upgrade kit.
The upgrade. So you can get an upgrade kit for $149, and you have your first 30 days as a Plunder stylist to go ahead and purchase this kit. The nice thing about this is it's commissionable.
Yes. The thing that you guys have to remember is it's only available because the value is exceptional. We only make that upgrade kit available to new stylists within their first 30 days. In this kit, you guys can see everything that's out that you'll be receiving, but there's one thing that's kind of hiding behind
Yes.
these catalogs, and I think it's one of the most important tools that we have as Plunder stylists.
We are in a business where we build relationships, and we want to go ahead and leave people feeling happy, and they follow you because they adore you and they want to see what you're passionate about and the things that you love. So I think it's always important that you send them a thank you, handwritten. Who doesn't love coming home from your day or on a weekend and receiving a card that's specifically to you? Just something to say thank you. Thank you for being great. Thank you for being you. Thank you for hosting a party. There's so many ways that you can use a thank you card in your business, and I think that notes like this are so lost today.
Yeah. Well, and it's important. I think it's a habit that when you're starting your business and you get that kit, if in the beginning you'll start, writing one note a day or considering once a week who you could send a special note to. Again, Rhiannon said we're a social selling business, but in short, our business has everything to do with relationships. When you join Plunder, you not only get this exceptional starter kit, but you're a business owner. And I will tell you guys right now, that's a pretty awesome. It's a pretty awesome undertaking.
Yep.
For your business, I feel personally the responsibility to make sure that our customer service team is top notch. So if you or yourself ever have an issue and you contact our customer service, when you became a Plunder stylist, you got to leverage one of the very best customer service teams for yourself and your patrons. I think that's out there. We want to make people happy. We want to leave a good taste in their mouth for Plunder Design and leave them coming back wanting more. I think the most beneficial tool on this whole table, I should say, I think the most beneficial tool in your Plunder business isn't on this table, but that is the asset of yourselves, your authentic self, and what you're going to bring to this business. So when you get your starter kit, get some beautiful jewelry on, and get out in your communities doing good. Keep Plunder on your brain. Share those opportunities with the people that you love and care for, and we are so excited
to have you join the Plunder family.
Yes. It's a Plunder for life, and we're glad you're here.